In this demonstration, we'll show you how inMailX enables users to access and work with Microfocus Content Manager and SharePoint 365 from Outlook. To access Microfocus Content Manager in Outlook, you simply need to navigate to the Content Manager store, select the desired container, and inMailX will display the records in the store view. In this view, you can select and preview the listed documents or records. With inMailX, you can preview more than 250 different types of files. When a document is selected, you can choose to edit it, update its metadata, email a link or a copy of the document, create, view, or edit links to be used in other applications, update the record notes, and also initiate a workflow or attach an action. In addition, if you need to create a new document in the selected container, simply click the New Document button, select the required template, enter the document name, choose whether to initiate a workflow or attach an action, and click either Create and Open for additional editing, or simply Create to create the new document. To edit or update a document in the list, simply select it, click Edit to check out and open the document, make the required changes, and save it. To manually check in the document, click the Check-in button, select the desired check-in option, and click OK. To update the metadata properties of a document or record, simply select the record, click Properties, make the required changes, and click OK to save the updates. Now, for those organisations that use SharePoint, to access SharePoint in Outlook, simply navigate to the SharePoint store, select the desired SharePoint library or folder, and inMailX will display the files in the store view. Like the Content Manager integration, in this view, you can select and preview any of the listed documents. When a document is selected, you can choose to open and edit it, update its metadata email, a link to a copy of the document, or quickly navigate to SharePoint to perform additional actions. Now, I'll demonstrate how easy it is to file incoming and outgoing emails with inMailX. One of the key benefits of using inMailX Email Manager is its ability to quickly file emails directly into single or multiple Content Manager containers or SharePoint locations. inMailX can be configured to force users to file outgoing emails when clicking the standard Outlook Send button. When force filing on Send is enabled, you click Send. The inMailX filing window is displayed, prompting you to file the email into one of the Filing Favorites or Filing Recents folders. You can easily search and add commonly used Content Manager containers or SharePoint folders to your Filing Favorites list. The Filing Recents list includes the most recent containers or folders you have filed emails into, and it can also be used for quick filing emails or saving attachments. If the email description or title needs to be changed prior to filing, simply edit the description field in the inMailX filing window. Once the destination container or folder has been selected and the email description changed, just click the Send and File button, and the email will be filed with the new title in Content Manager or SharePoint. Also, with inMailX, it's very easy to file emails into multiple Content Manager containers or SharePoint locations. To do this, simply select the email, click the File button, tick File to Multiple checkbox, and add the desired containers or folders to the File To group. Again, if the email description or title needs to be changed prior to filing, simply edit the description field, and the email will be filed with a new title. To file multiple emails, the filing process is very similar. Just select the emails, click the File button, select the desired File to container, and click File. If you need to check where emails have been filed or update their metadata directly from Outlook, simply click Where Filed, select Properties, and update the email metadata. Very quick and easy. But wait, there is one more thing: autofiling. inMailX provides the ability for emails in a conversation to be automatically filed with or without user input. When this feature is configured and you send and file emails into Content Manager containers, an inMailX autofile tag is added to the email subject. And any subsequent email replies can be automatically filed into the same container as the original emails. Multiple emails, including the inMailX autofile tag in their subject, can be autofiled at once, either manually, triggered by the user, or automatically as per a preset schedule. Now, there are scenarios when you may need to save attachments separately. To save attachments into Content Manager or SharePoint, the process is very similar to filing emails. Just select the email, click Save Attachments button to open the inMailX Save Attachments window, select the attachments to save, select the destination container or folder from your filing favorites or recents list, or search for a new container. If any of the attachments need to be renamed prior to saving, simply right-click the attachment, select Rename, type the desired name, and click Save to save the attachment. Also, with inMailX, it's very easy to save attachments into multiple Content Manager containers or SharePoint locations. To do this, click Save Attachments, tick the Save to Multiple checkbox, and add desired containers or folders to the Save To group, and click Save. If you need to check where attachments have been saved or update their metadata directly from Outlook, simply click Where Saved, then click the attachment, select Properties, and update the attachment metadata. Very quick and easy once again. Organisations often ask users to follow guidelines for naming their email or attachment records when filing. Using inMailX description masks makes standardising naming conventions a breeze across all users. The inMailX description masks will automatically apply a predefined title format for emails and attachments saved into Content Manager or SharePoint. Now, we'll show you some of the most popular inMailX productivity tools. A powerful feature of inMailX, which users love, is the ability to format attachments on the fly when composing emails without having to leave Outlook. inMailX enables users to quickly and easily rename and reorder attachments, clean metadata, convert attachments to PDF, secure attachments with open passwords, and compress attachments into zip. We often store our documents with internal naming conventions and file name references that mean something to us but are not relevant to the recipient. Using the inMailX Rename button, you can quickly rename the attachments to a more appropriate name and easily remove any unwanted information. After an attachment has been renamed, inMailX will show a pencil symbol next to it to visually identify the renamed attachments in the list. From the same window, you can also reorder the attachments and set the order you want them to appear in your email. To reorder attachments, you can simply drag and drop each attachment to the desired position in the list, or use the up-down arrows. Once the attachments have been renamed and the desired order set, just click OK to apply the changes. If you need to remove any confidential metadata from the attached Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF, and image documents, simply click the Clean button. You can choose which attachments need to be cleaned by selecting the checkbox on the left, and which metadata to remove by selecting the options in the right pane. If required to preserve some of the metadata, for example, you may need to keep track changes and/or comments in Word documents, just uncheck the associated checkbox. Once you've selected which attachments and what metadata to clean, click the OK button and your attachments will be cleaned quickly and easily. After the attachments have been cleaned, you have the option to open and review them to ensure that all confidential metadata has been removed. If accidentally the wrong metadata was removed and you need to rectify this, inMailX makes it very easy and quick. Just click Undo button to revert the cleaning and clean the attachments again. Converting documents to PDF before they are sent via email is often a business requirement. With inMailX PDF feature, you can simply click the PDF button to convert your attachments to PDF on the fly. You can choose which attachments need to be converted to PDF by selecting the checkbox on the left. At the same time, you can also select to convert and combine multiple attachments into a PDF. To bundle the attachments into a PDF, click the Combine checkbox, change the order in which the attachments should appear in the PDF, enter the name of your combined PDF, and choose whether to create bookmarks or not. Each bookmark name is derived from the attachment file name, and inMailX provides the option to change the file names inside the PDF window. When you're ready, choose to create a PDF or PDF-A, click OK, and the attachments will be converted and combined into a single PDF with very little effort and knowledge. Once the process is completed, you can open and review the created PDF, and as you can see, the bookmarks were added and can be used to quickly navigate to the desired document. Now, if you need to make a change to your PDF, it's not a drama. Simply click the Undo button to take you back to your previous step. In case you accidentally reverted an action you didn't want to, simply click the Redo button to return to the converted PDF. After the attachments have been formatted as desired, you can send the email and inMailX will prompt the user to file into the desired container or folder. This is a quick overview of the immediate value and benefits inMailX can bring to every user and organisation.